This is 2025 MSI Katana with RTX 5070. 15.6 QHD screen, i7 14th Gen, 16 gig of DDR5, easily upgradable, dual channel, 1 TB SSD, and 2025 video card RTX 5070. It can allow you to have some decent gaming experience. Although it's probably more than twice slower than this 5090 in a desktop, which is thicker than the laptop itself. MSI does not come sealed on the bottom. Inside one box we get another box which is extra protection, which is great. Here we have the laptop. This is a charger. Just the cord. The main part of the charger is always here. Manual, warranty papers. Should be here. Oh, here. No. Made by Chiconi, it is 240 watt. Very nice and smooth. I like the feel of it. It's pretty thick to USB-A. No ports on the back. HDMI, USB-C, USB-A headphone input. RJ45. Power. This is the back of it. Lots of copper in here. The design feels similar to previous years, although I don't remember these things. We have 3 main buttons here. The design is quite familiar. i7 RTX. Low profile, very light. Opens this much. Here we have no camera shutter and cheap quality plastic. Power button over here. Wi-Fi 6E. Full power GPU. Well, full power for a laptop, I guess, because 5070 in a desktop is definitely a lot more powerful than this one. The weakest spot here is probably RAM, which is easily upgradable. Only 2 of 8s. I would rather see here 32 gig of RAM, which is 2 of 16s. 8 gig of VRAM might not exactly be enough for every game, considering you're playing in 1440p. QHD is 1440p. I always like to use a native screen resolution, so this screen gonna be more demanding than Full HD screen. Many beautiful colors on the keyboard. They change. You can adjust the color. I bought it for $1,100 on sale at Walmart, which is a great deal for something with RTX 5070.